So thank you for coming, everyone. Excited. Намайг танаа мөнгө багшаа гэдэг дуудаж байна. So, за тэгээ хэдүүлээ юу яа? Өнөөдөр хөгжмийн онол багшин. Тэгээ санчи. So, наад уншиж чаддаг хүүхэд байна уу? Чи чаддаг шүү дээ. I know you. Тэ? Чи уншиж чаддаг дээ? No, tell me. Can you read me?
Shy.
So I just wanted to have an idea. Who can do, what can do, we can just do.
I can't at all. I just play.
Yeah, I know. So somehow, like some little or advanced any. Does anybody play piano? You play piano, right?
Not anymore.
Not anymore, but it's it. Not what you chatting then, bro. Okay. 그게 맞아요. Okay. Монголын нот болохоор бид нар чинь Монгол Европ байсандаа ДО-РЕ-МИ-ФА соёл гэж заадаг. Америкт болохоор Америк дандаа бүх хэмжигдэх бүх юм эсрэг бидэрч тийм болохоор дандаа өөрөөр юу бас ABC гэж заадаг. So I think we're going to start with ABC first. Since the majority of the students is familiar with the ABC more than Mongolian, which is okay. Okay, yes, that's good. And then once we learn the ABC version, we're gonna add Mongolian version into it, just to make it a little interesting. Okay. There is a 7-note in music, just 7, easy. Okay, 7, and it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So from A to G, those 7 notes, the basic 7 notes. Okay, we're gonna learn how to count. So it's called rhythm. Rhythm is so important. Rhythm and notes that they make together music. Okay, otherwise, if one missing, it's not gonna happen. That's why we're gonna learn both at the same time, okay? But it's going to be 2 little separate topics, but we're going to start with the notes first. Right. Okay, everybody see in your paper, you see this sign, right? Do you know, does anybody know what this is called? So this is called treble clef. Okay, so there is a few different, not many, maybe 4 different keys that music reads differently. So you're going to pay attention to the treble clef first, because that's the basic, the first, especially for morin. We're going to so let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. So we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the treble clef starts on the second line. Okay, so dot. So everybody can do it better than me, probably. But I want you to pay attention. It starts on the second line. Okay, second line. So since we're doing ABCs, we're gonna start with A, right? So A. So there is notes on the line and the between line as well. So you're gonna pay attention to that. That's very important. So this is our very first A. And then if it goes to the to 5th line, we call up. This way it's down. So like I said, on every line or in between lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are your basic 7 notes. Okay? You can start writing exactly at the same time with them. So if this is A, what this will be? B, correct. And then
C.
C.
D.
D.
E.
E. F. G. That's it. So your basic. So if you see between second and third line, that's your A. Манай багш нар маань өөрснөө бүгд ойлгочихсон шүү дээ, тий? Тэгээ ээж аавнууд нэр харж байгаараа дараа нь ингээд цахан давтуулж яхад бас бороо. Та нар ч гэсэн айгүй хэрэгтэй тарих аймаар сайн хөгжүүлдэг хүний халгойд айгүй сайн ажилладаг юм гэсэн. So are we clear so far? Yeah? Good, right? So now we're going down. So let's see what this will be then. We're going down from A now. So it all goes up to G, from A to G. So now we're from A going down, backwards, in other words. So what will be this one? Yes, this is G, okay? We're going down, backwards. So this will be G. What will be this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now G, we're going backwards. G, going backwards. F, right? F, going down. E, D, and now we ran out of the 5 lines, right? That's when it comes to this little personal lines. So we're gonna have same as D, but we're gonna add personal line here. And this will be what? C. Okay, pay attention to the C. This C is very, very important, especially if we learn going back to Mongolian. Do, re, mi, fa, гэж. Сурахад энэ маш хэрэгтэй шүү энэ C. So now we're gonna add. Since we ran out of the 5th line, we're gonna personal line in underneath. So what this? Oh, it looks so funny, but you get the idea. So what is this? What note is this? We're still going backwards. B, right? Yes. And now, one of the small line, added 6th line. You're gonna add another personal line. So we now went backwards, all the way down to G. Make sense? Does it make sense? So as soon as you hit the D, your line finishes, right? You don't have any more big lines, long lines. You're done with the lines. So that's why you add this a little personal line here. And then we go, keeping this personal line all the way down. And we finish this one, we're adding another personal line. Number 2, that's
personal.
Одоо personal, одоо жижигхэн өөрөө өөртөө зориулаад энэ жижигхэн одоо line л ингэж байгаа байхгүй. Тэгэхгүй болохоор 5 line чинь дуусчихж байгаа гэсэн тийм. Тэгээд цаашлуулахын тулд ингэж одоо ингээд дээшээгээ доошоогоо сая ингээд 7 нот ч явчихлаа шүү дээ. Нэг дээшээ болохоор энэ бүрхээр G хүрж байна да. Тийм. Энэ доошоогоо болохоор ингэж G хүрж байгаа байхгүй. Хоёр дээшээгээ явж байгаа вариант ойлгосон. Энийг шууд монголоор хийж авчих юм. So this is when you go down, it's almost like it's going backwards. Цагаад эргүүлээд хөрвүүлчих юм байна. Энэ доо гэдэг нотыг аягүй сайн үнэлээрэй. За энэ жижигхэн одоо энэ spaceship шиг юм чинь доо байхгүй монголоор бол монгол руу. Тэгээд до ре ми фа сол ля гэдэг юм. Монголоор бичгээр ингэж бичих юм. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Let's just check if you get it this one. Try not to look at your notes, or tell me what note it will be. Ямар note? Well, we'll take a look. Look, you can take a look. What? So G will be on the 2nd line, right? So treble clef starts. F, right? So you said, who said F? So F is correct. between second and third line.
E.
E?
Is it E?
It's not an E. We tried. You can take a look. You can take a peek now. Two notes. We just learned. I just wanna make another comment. So what is this? We started with this note.
A.
A. Now you can. It would have been very easy if it's F. This is G. If on the line, so then it's A. So now what this will be? See, now you know it's better. Let's see everybody else. Just think about it. What we just learned. We started from A, and what this note would be. Now it's since you know A, it should be easy.
B.
B will be on the line. On the line. Exactly. B will be right here. Right? So it's between lines. So what is this? Yamanaka. C. Then this one.
E.
E. Okay, good. So this is another way of memorizing. Can you read this for me? Face. Okay. So that's face comes. It's a good way to remember it. Right, okay? So now these are all between lines. So what will be this one then? Now according to, since now you have this, it's like your helper. What is this? Okay, just it. Let's try to find out what is these. What are these? It's always easy to go from A, either go down or up. So if this is half a step down from A, what will be? It's easy, it's just be brave. It can be wrong. Nothing, there's no, yeah.
G.
G, yes. This is G. What is this?
E.
E. What is this?
B. D.
No, the B already, he said. B.
D.
But this doesn't, it's not gonna make any word, right? Yeah, it's not gonna make any notes. I just wanted to, it's gonna be helpful if you know the face. Those are the notes that's gonna be between lines. Got it? And then from that, from this, you can always find out what's going on here. Юу н хараа морин хуурын ноотнууд их доогуур байдаг. Голцоо доогуур байдаг. Тэс юу н төгөлдрийн ноотнууд бол бүр ингэ дэш аягүй хол дэшээ доош аягүй хам татсантай гэж явдаг. Морин хуурын ноот ерөнхийдөө ийм бацгаж байдаг шүү те. Айгүй доошгоо. Тэгэхээр энэ нөгөө нэг давхар лайн гэдэг байгаа шүү дээ. Давхар энэ жижиг лайн. Энийг айгүй сах. Энэ хэцүү байхгүй юу? Ягаад гэвэл энийг ч бүр ингэ жижиг тоолохгүй бол одоо олон жил тоглож иш нүднөөхөөс ш энэ дээр дахиад нэг юу нэмэгдэх юм бол би одоо жишээ нь фагасаа доош нь тоолох юм шүү дээ. Өө яна фаг гэж чад юу лээ нэрээ хит болох нь гэдэг дахиад нэг явчих юм бол ингээд доошлож байна. Тэгэхдээ тэгж бичигдэхгүйгээр хитрхи доош нь оруулж болдгоо байхгүй юу? Ер нь хоёр лайнаас илүү за 3 лайн орно. Тэгээд бичигдэхгүй яа тэгэхээр хөгжмийн юугаар тэгж бичиж болохгүй болчихдог байхгүй юу? Зүлхүүрийн салхиртай. Тэгэхээр нөгөө фаалх гэж нь 100 гарын орж ирдэг байхгүй юу? Тэгэхээр бараг л хамгийн доошоо нь энэ фаг болж байгаа юм шүү. Морин урдал энэ фаг. We should have because we went to all the way down to G. Because just one дахиад нэг юу нэмтэл фаа болохгүй. Юу нэг энэ фаа хүртлээс тустай байна. Доошоо. Яг 7 нот гэдгээрээ A-S G доошоо A-S G гэж сая ихэд явсан байна. So we all got it there. Any questions so far? Any questions?
No.
No, we're good? Okay. So we're gonna start with the rhythm. Just a little bit simple rhythm, okay? Before we start rhythm, anybody seen seen these numbers? Right, you probably, whoever is reads music, you notice. There's always number right next to the treble clef. For example, in some moments, okay? So in order to have a correct, the music head, we need tempos. So every time when you see this number, that indicates how many beats or counts in one bar. So bar means basically just the whole line that separates one from another. So this called bar. Okay, be the bar. You understand? Yeah, bar. So that means the top number always gonna tell you how many beats in the bar. Монголоор бол такт гэдэг байхгүй. Такт гэдэг чинь өгөгдөж байгаа тэр хэмжээгийг чинь тусгаарч өгж байгаа юм одоо хаалтлах гэсэн үг байхгүй. So it's bar. Stop it. So this number is it can be any number almost, but for this instance it's 3. So that means you're gonna have 3 beats, and then 3 beats in each bar. So the 4 indicates the 3 beats. The 4 indicates how many little bits inside of it. So this can be 2. Тэгээд дандаа доороос нь гэж байна шин 4-ний 2. 4-ний 3. 4 хуваасны 2. 4 хуваасны 3 гэсэн үг байхгүй юу? So it can be any number. Let's start with 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. How many counts in one bar? 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. After each bar, you're going to start over as a 1. Right? So bar, okay? Bar. It's called bar. Monster of tact. So if you see this big giant circle, white, it's called whole notes. So that equals 4 counts. So we have the same note, but we're going to add little line. When you add this, we call it half note. So which means half of this, half of 4, equals what? 2, right? So 2 counts. So in order to make 4 counts in one bar, how many half notes do I need here? 2. So are we adding one more, right? And every bar needs to equal to 4. And then now you're going to see little black dots. Like these, right? So this is called quarter notes. Quarter note equals 1 count. So how many quarter notes do I need in this 4-4 bar?
4.
4, yes. It's easy, it's interesting, but if you don't understand from the beginning, it gets a little harder. So, Ямар ч наатан дээр байсан байна. Ямар ч хүн дээр болсон. Make sure you have өөрт ишнүүд нь ишнүүд нь ойлгомжтой байх нь. That's gonna indicate like individual нэг нэгээр тийм багхгүй юу? So, okay. So, every piece, every music has its own. Later on, I'm going to explain what is the tempo. So, for now, I'm going to give you 4 counts. We're going to all clap this.